This video will show students how to create a PowerPoint presentation through Canvas's Arc. When you log into Canvas, click on the Arc icon on the left side of your browser. This will pull up your Arc video dashboard and will show you any previous videos you have completed. In addition, if this is your first time, you'll have a few seconds for authentication purposes. We use the dashboard for several different reasons, but the main reason we'll show today will be the screen capture reason. So in order to see how to record the screen, simply click on the record button and choose the screen capture option. In doing so, this will launch a tool called Screencast-O-Matic, and it will ask you to install and download. Sometimes we've had trouble with certain browsers and your specific browser settings. So simply move forward with the opening of the link and downloading the program, but sometimes you might experience trouble. So if you do experience trouble, please try a different browser. And if you're continually having trouble, then please contact the help desk for support. But as you can see, we have loaded the tool here, and this tool has several different options for us to be aware of. So let's look through some of those options. The first option is you can choose to use the screen, the webcam, or both, and in this case we're just going to record the screen. In addition, we have several different ways of moving the recorded area around. You can simply click on the arrows in the beginning or in the middle. You can actually move these options, these corners, these handles to set the specific area. And in addition, an easier option would be to simply click on the full screen or the active window. So when I choose full screen, we now have the entire screen showing. If we look below, we have the option of choosing our microphone. If you have multiple microphones, those will show. And we have the ability to, if we choose the webcam, a webcam option will happen. The computer audio option is actually focusing on sounds that you might encounter while you are opening up files, or maybe you're watching a video, or maybe you're using something else that you want to configure. So for this purpose, we have no. So now we are ready to do the recording. So in order to start the process, we're going to click on the record option. So go ahead and click on record. We have a basic countdown that's appearing, and this is how you record your screen. However, if we wanted to record a specific PowerPoint presentation, we would need to open up the PowerPoint presentation before we get started. So let's pause the video, and we are actually going to delete it and start over. So let's click on this nice little trash can menu here and click start over. So now we can see we've deleted the video, we've messed up, and now we want to open up our PowerPoint presentation first. So within your PowerPoint presentation, it should have already been created. You want to simply click on from the beginning or to view your presentation mode. From this option now, we are all ready to go, and so we are going to click on the record button as if we are creating our PowerPoint presentation. It is recommended that you have a transcript for each slide to help for a clean delivery and articulation process. From here, we're going to go ahead and click record. And as you can see, we are recording our first slide of our PowerPoint presentation. What you will simply do, just like any PowerPoint presentation, when you have finished recording the first slide, you can hit the arrow button or click on the screen, and that will take you over to the next slide. So this is our second slide. We are following the progression. We are talking over and communicating the importance or the teaching component. We'll keep going through the slides, and this is what you would do to create a PowerPoint presentation. Upon completion, which we will now stop at 35 seconds, it is a nice little timer here for you to know how long your presentation is. We will click pause. So now it gives us an option again. We can preview the option here if you wanted to. We can go to the front of the back. We can provide some annotations, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to go ahead and complete our presentation. So from here we have a special pop-up, and this is asking you to title your presentation. as you might continue to do more PowerPoints or videos in ARC, it would be best for you to create the actual title based on the course number and the assignment. So let's, for example, say BO or BADM 21, and we will call this presentation assignment. From here, you can add a description, but you don't need to, and we will simply click the upload button. So depending on how long your presentation is, determines the length and the time it has to be uploaded. We are actually encoding it first, and then it will move to the uploading phase. Now we have uploaded it successfully. I'm going to click on the continue button, and from here it goes back to our PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to exit out of our PowerPoint presentation by hitting the escape button. And now, if you notice, nothing is showing. However, what we simply need to do is click on the ARC button again, and this will refresh our ARC instance. And now you will see that we have our ARC video uploaded into Canvas. And that is the process for uploading an ARC video. If you have any questions, please reach out to the help desk. Thank you.